Hello and welcome to Beitz with Beitz, a real estate cooking channel for those who don't necessarily want to taste and enjoy the recipe, but rather enjoy the experience and end result. And I am Danielle Beitz, and we are on air. Today, I'm going to muster up a little something. But first, I have a shout out, happy birthday to Lindsay Edie. Lindsay, I made this birthday cake just for you. Happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday dear Lindsay, happy birthday to you. Blow out the candle. Good job. Now back to the show, let's get ready. Bowl and spoon. Let's add in some trees. Some water. A laundry room. Yo, Adrian, a big window.
Wow!
Le toilette. A garage for my tools, yeah man. A big cozy fireplace to sit with your lover. Of course, a piece of cake. Thanks, Lindsay. And the drum roll! Ta-da! Your dream cottage to make a little extra moolah and for your family and friends to enjoy some great quality times at your very own staycation destination. Thank you so much for joining Bits with Bites, and I'm looking forward to seeing you next time for our newest recipe.